Hello student, welcome back. Uh, Today in this video I will tell you about the sentence. This is my second video. In my first video I have tell you about the sentence and its kinds. I have also tell you about the definition of sentence and kinds of sentence. That is mainly four kinds of sentences are there. That is assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. In my first video I have tell you about the definition of assertive sentence and imperative sentence and also its kind. Now in this video I will tell you about interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. So without any delay, let's see what is the definition of interrogative sentence followed by exclamatory sentence. Here is a definition of interrogative sentence. As you know, interrogative sentence are used to ask question. When we want to know some information or anything, when we want to know something, we used to ask question. By asking the question, we get the information, we get the ideas. So, we use question in our speech or in our writing to get the information and knowledge. So, we have to study about the interrogative sentence. Here, in the same interrogative sentence are those sentences which are used to ask question. When we ask question, that type of sentences are called interrogative sentence. And every interrogative sentence ends with question mark. At the ending, there is a question mark. In this way, we used to put question mark at the ending. It shows that it is a interrogative sentence. And in this way we used to get this type of sentence. We used to get information of anything, any ideas. Suppose if I want to know name of someone, we just ask what is your name, and that is a interrogative sentence. Let's see the examples of interrogative sentence. Suppose examples. As I have told you, if I want to know somebody's name, I ask, what is your name? This is a type of interrogative sentence. This is a question. Here I have used the word that is a question word, or you can say WH word. And this type of sentence is called interrogative sentence. Generally, we can also ask, when will he come back? It means I want to know the time, so I have used the word when. In this way, there are so many kinds of sentences. Interrogative sentences are which we use to ask question, to get information, to get ideas. Now let's see kinds of interrogative sentence. Kinds of interrogative sentence. Generally, there are only two kinds of interrogative sentence. I have there are two types of interrogative. First, that is divided into two parts. First, and that is second. First, that we call yes no answer type. Yes no answer type question, or you can say interrogative sentence. And the second is WH type question, or you can say WH type interrogative sentence. These are the two types of interrogative sentence sentence. First is yes no. Yes no answer type. It means the question which gives answer in yes or no. When we ask the question, such types of question which gives answer in yes or no form, that is called yes no answer type question. The second is WH. Here I am using the word WH. WH means those sentences or those interrogative sentences which has WH word in that sentence. WH word are used as an interrogative to ask the question. That is called a WH word question type. So here yes no answer type, it has answer in yes or no, and generally it begins with helping verb. These types of questions begin with helping verb. Let's see the examples. Generally this type of sentence begin with helping verb. It means there is a helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Suppose it is example. Let's see. First, does he write a poem? And there is a question mark at the ending. Here I have used the word does he write a poem. When somebody asks this question, we must give the answer yes or no. You can see the answer must be yes or no. So this type of sentences are called yes no answer type question word, or you can say yes no answer type interrogative sentence which gives the answer, which have the answer in yes or no. Such types of questions are called yes no answer type sentences. Let me write another example. Number 2, that is, are they playing? Are they playing in the class? In the class. So here the word does in the first sentence is a helping verb, and in the second sentence the word are. This is also a helping verb. So such type of sentence which begins with helping verb and which has answer in yes or no, this type of sentence is called yes no answer type sentence, and this is the first type of interrogative sentence. Now let's see the second, that is WH question word. Here the word WH refer to what, when, where, how, it. Such word, when we use such word in our sentences for asking the question, this type of sentences are called WH type question word. For example, where are you going? Where are you going? Or you can say why she is late. Here I have used the word why and where. There is WH is word. WH word is here. So this type of sentences are called WH answer type sentence. This sentences give detailed answer. Okay, I hope it is very clear to all. Now let's see the next sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. So student, first you note down this yes no answer type question and WH answer type question. These are the words you see put in bracket, and these are the examples. That will start the last, that is exclamatory sentence. Here, let's see exclamatory sentence. That is, exclamatory sentence express strong or sudden feeling. The sentence, those sentences in which we express our feeling, our sudden feeling which comes by act. Such sentences are called exclamatory sentence. And every exclamatory sentence ends with a exclamation mark. There is a exclamation mark. This is the exclamation mark at every ending or in the middle also. In some sentences the exclamation marks is used in the middle, or you can say the exclamation word after the exclamation word, and in some sentences it is also used at the ending of the sentence. So there is no rule of exclamation mark. So the sentences which show strong feeling, or you can say sudden feeling, which comes unfortunately by automatically, that words are called, that type of sentence are called exclamatory sentence. Let's see the examples. For example, what beauty, what a beautiful rose, what a beautiful rose. This is a exclamatory sentence, and in the same way you can write, oh, what a pity. Or you can also write some other sentences. This depends to our feelings. We use different type of exclamatory word in different type of sentences. To show happiness we use hurrah, wow, what. To show sadness we use the word alas, oof, ah. These are the words. As our sentence, according to the sense of the sentence, what sense it is giving, in that way the exclamatory words are also changes. There are so many kinds of exclamatory sentence, or you can study in part of speech when we study about interjection. In that we use the word exclamatory words of different type and different feelings to show the happiness, to show the sadness, and to show some sudden, in different type of feelings we use different types of words. So exclamatory words sentences are those sentences which express strong or sudden feelings. I hope you have understood, and the examples is also given here. Here, that is exclamation word are using exclamatory sentences. This is its quality. Now let's see the home assignment. Now I will like to give you the home assignment, today's homework. So first you note out the examples and the definition of the sentence. Then I will give you home assignment. Your today's homework, that is home assignment. So home assignment is first what is You have to write this question and answer in your fair copy. Second, define exclamatory and this sentences with example. So these two questions note down in your fair copy. I hope you have understood the video. So till then, goodbye.